What's up guys? Now you are watching top 5 best battery-powered guitar amps. Number 5 Roland MicroCube GX, ultra-compact guitar amp with custom-designed speaker, best with Polaroid AA batteries. 8 Cosm amp tones, including the ultra-heavy extreme amp. 8 ESP effects, including heavy octave and dedicated delay reverb with spring emulation. iCube Link Jack provides simple audio interfacing with Apple's iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, interface cable included. Memory function for saving favorite amp and effect settings. Number 4 RockJam. The RockJam Busker amp houses 15 watts of output that channels through a 5-inch speaker, providing a high-quality audio experience. The RockJam Busker amp has an integrated rechargeable battery, so the only wire you need is the one to connect your guitar to this amp, meaning you can play anywhere for upward of 4 hours. Strum along to your favorite songs, though this amplifier using the integrated Bluetooth connection. Independent echo, bass and treble controls mean you can perfect your sound, and a mic input to completes this street-performing package. Number 3 Boss KTN Mini, great Katana tone in a highly portable amp. Rich, full sound that far exceeds other amps in its class. Authentic multi-stage analog gain circuit in 3-band analog tone stack. 3 versatile amp types, brown, crunch, and clean. Built-in tape-style delay for warm ambience. O input for jamming with music from a smartphone. Phone's recording output with cabinet voicing. Number 2 Vox Mini 3G2, use the included AC adapter, or 6 AA batteries for up to 10 hours enjoyment, best with Polaroid 9V batteries. 11 amp models range from high gain to pristine clean types, supporting a variety of instruments. The proprietary Vox vacillator circuit delivers a heavy sound with ultra-low frequencies. Enhanced quality effects such as compressor, chorus, flanger, tremolo, delay, and reverb. Connect your MP3 player or other audio source and jam along. Number 1 Blackstar Fly. The Fly 3 is an innovative, cutting-edge 3-watt mini amp which combines 2 channels, tape delay and the Blackstar patented infinite shape feature, ISF, to create the perfect compact and portable guitar amplifier. It's advantageously small and packs a punch with big tone, even at the lowest volumes. The ISF allows you to infinitely change the sound of your Fly 3, which gives you endless possibilities on the tone of your amp. The Fly 3 also features tape delay effects, allowing you to make your amp output resonate during play.